need to fight. There's plenty to go around. Everyone's hungry today, hey? You've already been fed, Cookie. Yes, you have. I fed you this morning. Don't you like my camera? Come here, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Yes, it's alright. Don't bite me. No, don't bite me. He says, I don't like what you've got in your hand. Your camera. You're a chicken bird. Yes, you are. Let's go over here and say hi to these corellas. Hello, corellas. There's a lot of birds today. All right, I'll leave you guys to it. I'm going to go and do a painting. G'day guys, welcome back. I'm going to play with some beads today. I was just going through Facebook, as you do. Remember that? We always used to do that with kids when we were little with string. I had to do it with beads. And this swipe popped up in my news feed, swiping with beads. And I went and looked in my cupboard and I thought, I'm sure I've got some beads. When I went on a recent cruise, we had, I think it was like a Gatsby night and we all had to get dressed up. So I wore these beads. And I think they swiped with the beads. So I'm going to have a go. The only concern I have is whether me holding it on the corners is enough pressure to actually have these middle beads touching the paint. I'm not sure. I was considering maybe doing this wide-mouthed comb. Might work better because I can actually put pressure in the center. So I don't know. I'll see how it goes. I haven't done this before, so we shall see how it goes. If the beads don't work, I'll use the comb. Because I just like that little effect, and I thought, hey, I'll give that a go. As I'm sure most of you do when you see my paws, you think, hey, I'll give that a go, and I don't mind. Go for it. Now, this is a swipe, so I'm using 60-40, 60% glue, 40% water, and I've mixed them 1.5 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. So in my cups here, I've got 45 grams of pouring medium, which is 1.5 ounces, to 30 grams of paint, which is 1 ounce. My paint is the Mont Marte Studio. That's the Phthalo blue. I'm not going to get them all out for you. That's the orange. So I'm going warms with black, cools with white. So red, orange, yellow, turquoise, light blue, and dark blue. I've mixed my black and white to the same consistency. So I'm going to do split the canvas, black that way, white that way. Let's see if I can do a line. Yes. Righty-o. Let's put some black paint down. Not sure how much I'm going to need. Where's my tool? I need to move these out of the way, otherwise I'm going to knock them over, I'm sure. Just get them out of the way for now so I can get in here. Okay, so one of them is going to be a black swipe. Well, actually, I tell a lie. The background is black, but I'm still going to actually start with white. Is that straight? Doesn't have to be exactly straight, does it? It's going to be all a bit off center anyway once I start moving paint around. Alright, better not play with it too much. I'll make it worse. Oops, I've dripped on my comb. Alright, let's get this edge done real quick. Put a little bit more on here so I can just get that to go over the edge there. So half black, half white. On the black will be the warm colours, and then on the white side will be the cool colours, you know, fire and ice, that sort of thing. I've done fire and ice swipes before. I'm sure you guys have seen them if you've been following me. I think I've been doing the YouTube videos for about 1.5 years now. Feels like forever. Can't remember what I used to do on my days off when I didn't do videos. Okay, so that's that done. Let's just turn you around so it's easier. And we'll put our white down. I better get a different tool, a clean one, so that I don't mix my colours. Whoops, I think I've got way too much white. Let's just push some of that over. Either that or I don't have enough black. That's right, I'll push it over the edge, and I don't have to add any more. So I do want to actually like roll the beads into the white before I start my black side, just to see if I can get that little bit of wispiness, a little bit of wispy black. Oops, I've got way too much white here. A little bit of white into my black. Right, I haven't done this before, so I mean I've used regular swipes, you know, with my plastic, but I have no idea how this is going to go, so we shall just learn together, hey? Alright, so that's my black, that's my white. I think I'm going to start with the white first. So I want to roll the white onto the blue, so I'll leave a little bit of the white showing. Whoops, I went crooked. It's a lot of the white showing. And then the light blue, this is cerulean blue and turquoise. So no silicone oil today in the paints. Okay, so that's that. Oh, I'm a bit off center, aren't I? I've got way too much white. Righto, now the red. And the orange. And the yellow. Whoops. Yeah, I didn't really do that exactly half, but I'm sure it won't matter. Righto, now let's do the beads. Let's see if this works. As I said, I'm concerned that the middle of the bead won't have enough pressure to actually drag through, but we shall see. Now I'm just going to touch this into the white. Oh, look, I've got 2 beads there that are stuck together. Let's not use them. Let's move it down a little bit into the white. Now I'm not going to roll them, I'm just going to try and drag them. Ooh! Ooh! Look at that! Some areas have got more paint than others. So obviously where I'm on the sides, there's more pressure. What am I going to do with this now? Let me wipe it quickly. I could give the sides of the beads more pressure, and in the middle, obviously I couldn't push down on them. Alright, so now these beads kind of need a bit of a wash. I'm just going to use, can't get all the paint off them, so I'm just going to use the other half of the necklace. But let me turn that around. That is so cool. Now what I want to do is, I don't want to necessarily see a black line and a white line. So I'm going to start my beads in the white. I actually have to put a little bit more white just there. Because I don't want to see that line where the black and the white meet, if you know what I mean. So I just want the white to blend over the top of the black. So we'll see if I can do that. So again, hold as close to you as you can. Now I'm going to touch the white. Don't want to touch that blue, so I want to pull blue through. So let's just roll that. Oh, that is exactly what I wanted. See how the white is in the middle? Now this is better. I had more. Oh, no. I was going to say I had more black, but I didn't. Wow, you guys. Look at that. Woohoo. That is exactly what I was hoping for. Having that white in the middle. Now, you can see there, I did touch the blue a little bit. I'll just leave that there, big mess. See over here, I've touched the blue. So I've dragged that through, so it hasn't got that beautiful round. But hey, it's my first go. I'm happy with that. I would have preferred it just to be, see the round? So more white next time. That way I'm not risking touching the beads into the blue. Wow, that is so pretty. I've got plenty of paint left. Look, plenty of paint. Let's do that again. That was so much fun. Actually, maybe next time I'll use the comb. I'm so excited. My black has been doing weird things lately. It's been kind of splitting. Yeah, I don't know why. It's been doing that. Let me wipe my hands and then I can take you down for a close-up. And then I'll have to go into the other room and wash my necklace off. That is so pretty. I don't think this is the type of thing that you can swipe over twice because, you know, you've got that pretty pattern there. Oh, look how pretty it looks from up here. Let's zoom you in and then I'll take you down. So you can see what I mean about those little blue rounds. I've just caught a couple of them there on the towards the middle on the left. But don't you love those spikes? Wow. So pretty. And look, they go over the edge too. Look at the edge. Wow. I'm going to do this on a big canvas. What do you think? Now I'm going to try it with the comb first and see how I go with the comb. Although, because the comb has only got these little, well, there they are. It's a bit blurry, but see, they've only got little points. So my rounds, my little fingerlings, are only going to be small. Oh, there is so much you could do with this. What about if you alternated and pulled the blue through on half and the black through on half, and then you get like wispy bits. I'm moving the phone now that I'm talking about moving them across. Wow, that is so pretty. Normally I practice these things before I show you, but I thought, no, I'm just going to do it. Look at my black. What my black's doing? Yeah, I don't know why it's doing that. I noticed in some swipes the other day that it was doing that. Not sure. It's like what the global paint was doing, how it started splitting. Maybe I need to make it a bit thicker. Up here's fine, where it's nice and thick, but down there where it's thinned, I mean, it looks nice. It's kind of all wispy and looks like fire and everything. I wonder what would happen if I put silicone oil in it. Look at the sides. Not as pretty because of what that black's doing. Wowzers, you guys. It's like a little piano keyboard, isn't it? Look at the sides here. It does look a bit like a keyboard, doesn't it? And play chopsticks. All right, that was so much fun. I'm going to do that again. All right, I'll leave it at that. Hope you enjoyed that. Have a go. I'm sure we're going to be seeing lots of these coming up soon. Don't forget to do the usual, like, subscribe, share, hit the little bell for notifications, and then when I do another one of these, a big one, you'll get notified and you can watch it straight away. All right, thanks for watching. Love you all. I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.